Okay guys, I have a Whirlpool Duet HT. It's a combo set, dryer and washer. I'm getting F21 error message. I'm gonna make this video very quick, right to the point. The main culprit is right here at the front. There's a strainer filter type of mechanism attached to the drain pump, which is in this area. I'm gonna remove the cover. Typically they have 3 screws, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. If the strainer looks clean, then it's the drain pump. All right. Okay guys, there's a lot of water in here. A lot of water. Look at this. You got to remove the pump from the legs and bring it out to tilt it down. Okay guys, I unscrewed this. I'm going to pull it out and show you why it's not draining F21. Oh my God. Look at this, there's a sock here, a water cap. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Disgusting. This is why it's not draining F21. I'm gonna wash this out and put it back in. Oh my God, more stuff is coming up. Okay guys, here's the old pump. I put everything back together and it stopped working. The pump dried out, I guess. As you saw in the video, there were too many things on there and it clogged, and the pump was running probably just dry and not pushing water through. And it's not working. I ordered one yesterday off Amazon and it got here today. All right, so I'm gonna put the new one in and it should work. Okay guys, here's the new pump. It's all hooked up. We're gonna cancel this and let's see if it drains. All right guys, it's working. The pump is working. There we go. There we go. See that? That's how you fix it, babe. There's the old pump, and there's the new pump.